I've got the December Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside and how it swatches, then stay tuned, and we have another giveaway. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening. I'm actually filming this on December 18th, and we had torrential rains last night. There's no power at my house. I had planned to come to my mom's house anyway, so they're at home. There was no school. My husband didn't go to work. They've had no power. I woke up with no power, so it's been a day. But I got to get some filming done. So I have my December Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, usually I do the makeup with you, but because I'm trying to get a bunch of things filmed today for my December giveaways, in the interest of time, I already used everything in the box to create the look that I have today. So we're going to take a look at what's in there. We're going to go over what I used, and then I will swatch everything and show you the swatches. The theme this month is Happy Holidays, and the palette this month is the Hearth palette by Chantico Beauty. And we've gotten a lot of Chantico Beauty things in this box, a lot of times singles, but we did get another palette some months back. It was the Galetta Milk and Cookies type one, and the shades are gorgeous. This is a Latin-owned beauty company, and they are cruelty-free. So here is the outside again. And I liked that cup of cocoa, so I tried to kind of recreate that. Now there are some, this is not a neutral palette, I will tell you that. There are some neutral colors, but this is not a neutral palette. So these are the colors on here. And at the end, I'm going to swatch everything in here and then show it to you. But for now, I just want to show you the colors and what I used. So on the outer corner, I used this color right here. And then on the crease up above, I used this color. I came in and used white on the lid. And then I dabbed a little bit of this right into the corner. And then a little bit of this here. And then I came and did up here with this color right here. So I tried to use a variety of the colors. The blues are gorgeous, but I wanted to go with kind of that cocoa look. And that is a $40 value. Next, by ZC Cosmetics, we have the Angel Highlighter. This is a $26 value, and it has ultra-fine shimmer particles to create a glowing, luminous complexion. This is a Korean beauty company, so K Beauty, and I believe I looked this up before, and they are cruelty-free. I did use the highlighter, and just a nice gentle highlight. So it has that gorgeous embossing. Go over to the side because y'all know Chloe will not like it if I mess up the Cupid. So I went in twice just so that you can kind of see on there. Next, by Over Cosmetics, we have the Gone MIA Mini Lip Set. This is a $20 value. I did use two of the shades on my lips. I did start off with a balm, just a clear balm, and the shades I used were Aventura and Winwood, and I used the Aventura on the outside and then came into the center with the Winwood and then blended them together. So I'm going to show you these. All right, there are the two that I used. Then we have Miami Fever. So that's kind of more of a chocolatey, and Cinnabelle, and not much of a difference, as you can see, between those two. So there are all four shades. It says Sanibel is a rose nude, Miami Fever is a burnt terracotta orange, Aventura is a true cool brick red, and Wynwood is a reddish pink. All of their products are made in the US and they are a cruelty-free brand. Next, by ZC Cosmetics, so we had 2 ZC products, is this cream white liquid liner. All right. And what I did was I used that right underneath my eyes and just in the corner there. And then I put a little bit over top of the black eyeliner because I kind of got too much on. So I thought, well, maybe I could kind of just blend that out. And this is a $24 value. Now, the last 2 things in here I did not use, and I have kept them all sealed up. So these are 2 lip liners. These are the Lip Perfection liners by B. Bella, and I do not know their cruelty-free status, but I believe these are pencil liners, and I don't typically like the wood pencil liners. And I don't really use liners. I mean, like, that's a pretty color, and I could see me potentially using that, but I do have other ones that are more cream liners that I would use. I honestly wear lip gloss every day. I don't even wear like a lip color most days. So I am going to put these in today's giveaway. These are a $6 value. And again, the shades are lovely. They're just not my preference. And, you know, maybe one of you out there might prefer them more. To add to that, in today's giveaway, we have this ColourPop So Fly palette. I do own this, and this was an extra one that I had gotten in a mystery bundle. There is no color saver in there, but these are the colors. They're very, very gorgeous. You have one duochrome right there in the center, as you can see. And ColourPop is made in the US, and they are cruelty-free. And then we have this Such a Rush palette. This is a cheek palette. All right, so we have some contour or bronzers and a nice highlighter. And don't be afraid of these dark colors, because if you go in lightly, it can actually provide a really nice contour. So for today's giveaway, you are getting these 2 as well as these 2. So you're going to get this whole set right here, and you're going to use the word FLY, F-L-Y, in order to tell me that you are interested and have read all the rules down below and do meet the criteria for the giveaway. I really love the palette. I really love everything in the box. Again, I just don't use lip pencils very much, and when I do, I don't prefer the wood ones. I'm just kind of a little OCD about that. But they are beautiful, beautiful colors, and B. Bella is a nice company. It's a very, they have some very nice cosmetics on their website. They used to do a mystery box. I don't know if they still do, but they did one at one point. And one last look at that palette. And I'm going to swatch off camera, and then I'm going to flash my arm across there so you can see what the colors look like. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you want to be a part of the giveaway, you probably want to do all 3 of those. You got to hit the like, and you got to hit the subscribe. The notification bell, that's totally optional, but you will be notified if you're the winner, because I will tag you, and my video will, or my community post will show up if you hit that notification bell. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.